Welcome to Asim Code. Looking to enhance your coding skills? Like, subscribe, and let's dive deeper into Python together. Stemming is a text processing technique used in natural language processing, NLP, to reduce words to their root form. In Python, the NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, library provides a porter-stemmer class that implements the porter stemming algorithm. This algorithm removes common suffixes from words like running or runs, turning them into their base form. Run. The process begins by tokenizing a sentence into individual words using nltk.word_tokenize, and then each word is passed through the stem method of the porter-stemmer class to obtain its root form. This technique is helpful in text analysis to treat different word forms as equivalent, reducing dimensionality and improving the efficiency of NLP tasks like search, classification, and sentiment analysis. Importing the necessary libraries. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, is a library used for natural language processing, NLP. The porter-stemmer class is part of NLTK, which provides a stemming algorithm. Porter-stemmer class is used to reduce words to their root form. Downloading the Punkt tokenizer models from NLTK. Tokenization splits a sentence into individual words or tokens. The Punkt tokenizer is a pre-trained model provided by NLTK to tokenize text. The download function is a built-in NLTK function used to fetch the required data. Download necessary files for tokenization happens once. Creating an instance of the porter-stemmer class. The porter-stemmer class is a built-in class in NLTK that implements the porter stemming algorithm. The class provides the stem method, which reduces a word to its stem form. Create a stemmer object from the porter-stemmer class. Defining a sample sentence for testing the stemming algorithm. Sentence is a string data type. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Tokenizing the sentence into words. The word_tokenize function is a built-in function in NLTK that breaks a sentence into a list of words. It returns a list data type, which is an ordered collection of elements. A list is denoted by square brackets and can hold multiple elements, in this case, words. Tokenizing the sentence into individual words list. Stemming each word in the list using list comprehension. A list comprehension is a concise way to create a list by applying an operation to each item in an iterable. Here, we apply the stem method to each word in the words list. The result is stored in a new list called stemmed_words. The stem method is a built-in method of the Porter-Stemmer class. It reduces a word to its root form. Apply stemming to each word in words and collect results. Printing the original words and their stemmed versions. The print function is a built-in function in Python that outputs data to the console. Here, we print two lists: words, original words, and stemmed_words, words after stemming. Explanation of results. In this example, running becomes run, runs becomes run, and ran remains ran. The word easily doesn't change because it's already in its simplest form and does not have common suffixes. The stem method reduces words to their root form by removing common affixes. Now run our code. Before we dive back in, I want to hear from you. If you're loving these tutorials, drop a like and hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second, but it helps you stay connected with this community. And hey, don't forget to comment below with what you want to see next. Your feedback helps shape future content.